Exercise 1.5. Tick the
even number
and cross the odd number. Okay, which is the even number that we have to give, right? Tick one like this, and which is the odd number is that we have to cross, okay, into mark like 1098. 1098. 8 is a, which is the number, even number or odd number?
even
Ending one we have to observe. Ending number is there, no, last number we have to observe. Ones place, which is the ones place is there, we have to observe and we have to give the ticks. Even number, then which symbol we have to give?
tick
Tick number. This one or this one?
this one
This one. Very good. And 3467, the last
Odd
ending
number.
number? Odd number. Why it is a odd number? 7 is a odd number. 9871,
it is even number
check one. Even number in the one is there, odd number is there. Don't be confused, okay? One is a odd number. And this is 1404. Oh, which is this? 4 is a even number or odd number?
even
Even number. Sure? Yes, ending is a 4 is a even number. That's why this is a even number. 8892. 2 is a which number?
even
Even number. Yes. 6745. 5 is a
odd number
odd number. 9995. Sorry, 9999.
odd number
Odd number. 9 is a last ending is a odd number. We should give the odd number for cross, which is a
correct
even number is there, we give the ticks. 5422. 2 is a
even
even number. Which symbol we have to give?
tick
Tick. 8766. Even. 6 is a even number.
this one
Sure, we have to give tick. 4843.
odd number
Odd number. Very good. We have to give cross. 7000. All zeros came. Ending is a 0. The which number? Which is this is? Even. We have to give tick mark. 5321.
if odd number
Odd number. 1 is a odd number. The ending purpose we have to give this one
wrong
cross mark. Okay? Do like this only work. Understood this one?
yes ma'am
Even and odd numbers.
understood
Very good.